Have you ever seen a project manager confidently state a precise delivery date, even when others are still guessing? It often feels like magic, but it is not. It is actually a powerful tool that helps them understand the true backbone of their project. Critical path analysis directly influences project duration by identifying the absolute shortest possible time a project can be completed. It pinpoints the sequence of activities that must be finished on time for the entire project to meet its deadline, clearly showing which tasks are non-negotiable for project length. The core mechanism behind this influence lies in understanding project dependencies and task durations. Imagine your project as a series of connected steps. The critical path is the longest sequence of these dependent activities from the beginning of your project right through to its end. Every single activity on this path has zero flow, meaning zero wiggle room or slack time. If any one of these critical activities gets delayed by even one day, the entire project completion date will be pushed back by at least one day. Non-critical tasks, on the other hand, have some amount of flow. They can be delayed by a certain period without impacting the overall project duration, as long as they do not exceed their available float. Critical path analysis forces you to map out all tasks, estimate their durations, and identify their relationships, revealing the true drivers of your schedule. Project managers use critical path analysis to proactively manage their timelines. First, by knowing exactly which tasks are critical, they can allocate their best resources to those activities, ensuring they stay on track. Second, they monitor the progress of critical path tasks with intense focus, addressing potential delays immediately. If a project needs to be completed sooner, they look for ways to shorten critical path activities. This might involve crashing the schedule, which means adding more resources to a critical task to get it done faster, or fast tracking, which involves performing some critical activities in parallel that were originally planned in sequence. These actions directly manipulate the critical path, thereby influencing the overall project duration. An interesting insight here is that the critical path is not always fixed. It can change during a project if a non-critical task experiences significant delays or if task durations are updated. This dynamic nature means continuous monitoring is key. Furthermore, the concept extends to what is known as critical chain project management, which builds on critical path analysis by also considering resource availability and adding project buffers to protect against uncertainties, rather than just task-level slack. This allows for a more robust and realistic schedule, specifically designed to handle common project delays and resource conflicts. Ultimately, critical path analysis provides project managers with an indispensable roadmap. By clearly understanding which activities are mission-critical for the project timeline and which offer flexibility, you can make informed decisions, mitigate risks more effectively, and communicate project deadlines with much greater confidence and accuracy. This translates directly into delivering projects on time and achieving successful outcomes consistently.